Maxwell, DeMille talking, here to welcome you tonight to the Cicada Club in beautiful downtown Los Angeles, California, USA. But right now we have close to 1,000 people listening to this live broadcast. I mean electronic radio. I'd also like to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, October the 31st, Halloween night, Sunday evening, we present our vintage Halloween costume party. You won't want to miss that. As well as our final Old Penthouse after party. So that's also going to happen that same night. Be sure to get your tickets at our electronic information. Thank you. If you're going to get dressed, direct from Forest Lawn, ladies and gentlemen, only appears 4 nights weekly, but not performing music. He's just creeping around the grave. That's what we're saying, ladies and gentlemen. Halloween night here at the Cicada Club.
Every Sunday's Halloween in this place, let me tell you.
Especially when we're here. Thank you. So this, folks, you can get your tickets. The prices do go up after next week, so don't hesitate. And also, next week here at the Cicada Club, ladies and gentlemen, a private party. It's actually the Emmys, ladies and gentlemen, so they're having an Emmy party here, a private Emmy party. You can't, you're not invited. But the following week, September the 5th, Christine Nelson and Emma Congo Water. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for more music, courtesy of Richard Halpern. Oh, you wanted birthdays? Well, Richard Halpern has assembled a large list of people having birthdays. Who's having a birthday tonight here at the Cicada Club? Well, if you're having a birthday, step right out on the dance floor, and we'll wish you your own personal happy birthday. Now, Richard Halpern will read off the names of those lucky people celebrating their birthdays.
Thank you, Maxwell DeMille. All right, we have Connie who's having a birthday tonight. Come on, Connie, come to the stage, Connie. Don't be scared. And Corky is having a birthday. You're not Corky St. Clair.
Eric.
From, get it, that's it. Waiting, thank you, John.
Waiting for government.
Yes, waiting for Corky St. Clair or waiting for... Yeah, that's okay. And we have an anniversary of Aaron and Laura. Come on, Aaron, come out of here. All right, so Maxwell, explain how this beautiful dance works.
Ladies and gentlemen, if it's your birthday or anniversary or your special night, we invite you out on the dance floor for your very own dance. Of course, one of the conditions of this dance is that anybody can cut in at any time and dance with the birthday person. So don't be shy if you'd like to cut in and dance with the birthday person. Please feel free. And now, a delightful birthday song just for you folks. What's it going to be, Mr. Halpern?
We have a special guest that would like to sing the birthday song. His name is Eric, and he's going to sing As Time Goes By. I think that's a wonderful birthday song, don't you? Eric, why don't you come to the stage, Eric? Let's have a hand for Eric. How are you, sir? You're currently appearing in A Fight Thing Happened on the Way to the Forum.
Yeah, actually it hasn't opened yet. We're about to open we'll be opening in September.
Excellent, okay. So, I think you're going to sing this in C, right?
Yeah.
All right, so As Time Goes By is rendered by Eric. What's your last name anyway? I can't pronounce it.
Cajiuat.
Eric Cajiuat.
Yet we get a trifle weary with Mr. Einstein's theory. So we must get down to work. At times we'll relieve the tension. No matter what the progress or what may yet be proved, the simple facts of life are such they cannot be removed. You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.
and gentlemen, this is the first time Eric has ever sung. Ever in the title. Stand right here. Yes, step up for one moment. Let me just ask you a question. This isn't the very first time you've sung in public, is it?
No, not the first time, but the first time here.
The first time here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And if it's your birthday, don't leave the dance floor because it's time for your very own personal birthday surprise. Please step back on the dance floor because we're not done yet. It's time for your very special